In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. Before we begin, a quick warning. Deleting your channel is a serious, irreversible action. Once it's gone, you'll lose your videos, playlists, comments, and your channel page. So make sure you've backed up anything important first. If you just want to hide your content temporarily, consider looking into YouTube's options for making videos private instead. But if you're sure you want to go ahead, let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube's homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the channel you want to delete. This is important if you manage more than one channel, because the process only applies to the channel that's currently active. Once you're on YouTube, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, click on YouTube Studio. This will take you to your channel's dashboard, where you manage videos, analytics, and settings. Give it a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. On the left-hand side of YouTube Studio, you'll see a vertical menu. Scroll down to the bottom of that menu and click on Settings. A small settings window will pop up in the middle of your screen. Inside this window, make sure you're on the Channel section. If you're not there already, click on Channel. At the top of this section, you'll see different tabs. Click on the tab labeled Advanced Settings. In the Advanced Settings tab, scroll down until you see an option called Manage YouTube Account and click on it. This will open a new page for your YouTube account settings. On the left-hand side of this new page, look again for Advanced Settings and click on it. The wording might look slightly different depending on updates, but it will clearly say Advanced Settings. Now, on the Advanced Settings page, look for the option labeled Delete Channel and click on it. At this stage, YouTube may ask you to sign in again for security reasons, and then it will show you details of what will be removed. Carefully review the information, follow the on-screen prompts, confirm your choice, and your YouTube channel will be permanently deleted.